In the 50 years we've been in business, we've always worked on school parking lots. And that's one of the things we take pride in, because when you redo a parking lot at a school, it really adds a lot of curb appeal. It's going to make the parking lot safer for the kids and the parents and the buses, whether it's fixing holes or brightening up the striping to make it safe, whatever it is. And then, so we're used to obviously working with school schedules, if it's having to do stuff on breaks or after hours, whatever it may be, but we're going to work with, whoever the plant manager of is the school to make sure that we're scheduling around the school calendar and we're in there doing the work when it makes sense. So if you're a building and grounds person that needs work on your parking lot at school, I encourage you to call us or submit a website submission, and we'll be happy to send out one of our experienced team members to take a look at your needs, work through where you stand now in the parking lot, and get you a proposal and help improve your parking lot.